Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin Drake and I'm one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, I'm going to show you a new summary card that has been added to the top of some reports in Wellness Living. The improvement we're going to take a look at today affects the attendance history and client analysis reports. I'll show you the client analysis report first, and then we'll take a look after at the attendance history report. To locate the client analysis report, select your app drawer and then locate reports. Once you've gotten into reports, you will select your attendance drop-down tab, and then towards the bottom of my screen, you'll want to look for client analysis and select that. When you open this report, you'll see a new dark purple summary card at the top for lifetime visits. The summary card displays the total number of visits for all clients at your business, as long as the client was marked attended for the session. Looking at the client at the top of this report here, you can also see that in the visits column, we have a series of colored boxes that each contain a number. And the color of the box here in the visits column actually corresponds to the summary card at the top. So looking at this, I can see that this client, Benjamin Williams, has 2 lifetime visits at our business. And I know that even before I hover my mouse, because the dark purple card in the visits column displays 2, and that color does correspond with the lifetime visit summary card right at the very top. You can also see a more in-depth version of this on the client profile, so let's take a look at that using the attendance history report. To access the attendance history report for an individual client, search for them at the top using your search button. I'm going to use this client here, Renee Johnson. Once you're on the client profile, look for your attendance dropdown on the left side menu, and from there you can select attendance history. Depending on how frequently this client visits, you may have to adjust the date range for this report. So instead of this month, which is what loaded by default, I'm going to change this maybe to the entire year, just so you can see what this report will look like with some data in it. I'll hit apply. It's now for all of 2022. And we can see now a little bit more information about each specific visit that this client has had with us, including the status. So like we said with the client analysis report, you have to have your client marked as attended for the status for their visit to count towards their total lifetime visits. Also, just like on the client analysis report, you have the lifetime visit summary card here at the top, again with that dark purple, that shows you that for this specific client, Renee Johnson, she has had a total of 11 visits throughout her lifetime with us here at our gym. So as we know now, not every visit does count towards lifetime visits, and if you do need to change the status of a visit to attended, which will affect this number here, go ahead and locate the appointment on this report that you want to change the status for. I'll use the second one, and you can manually change the status to attended at any time for any client by clicking on the pencil and then selecting from the drop-down which status it should be. I'm going to say attended and hitting that check mark to save your work. That's now changed to attended, and that number, once you refresh your page, should update for you automatically. That's it for the overview of our new lifetime visit summary card using both the client analysis report as well as the attendance history report. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.